Many packages are coming in within this month. There. Apologize. Sincerely for this. So, a few things we received today is our MRE, the pork sausage and cream gravy. MRE. Pretty squishy. Doesn't feel like it's going to be that crazy. And then what we got afterwards was the Lancer M9 bayonet, which this is airsoft bayonet for all of you who were thinking the idiots who bought me a gun are stupid enough to buy me an actual knife. So yeah, it's just a rubber knife. One second. Oh yeah. And basically, it is a rubber knife. A rubber bayonet. Now let's go put this on my gun, just to see how well this looks. Right there, yeah. Perfect. As you see now, I officially have a bayonet on my freaking thing, so well, that worked well till that happened. One sec. I'll catch you guys as soon as I realize what to do. So I dished that whole entire idea, and now I'm just gonna use a knife. Rubber knife clearly did absolutely no damage, as you see right there. Now we take a real life knife, grab that shit, grab that. Oh crap, we got damage. Uh-oh. Oh shit. No. Alright, that's clear. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.